Hey savvy crafters, welcome back to Aurora Saves Money. Today we're diving into the world of DIY decor without breaking the bank. If you love sprucing up your space but don't love the hefty price tags that often come with decor, you're in the right place. Let's get crafting. First up, we're making chic candle holders using nothing but dollar store glasses and some spray paint. You'll need glass candle holders, spray paint of your choice, and masking tape. Here's the trick. Tape off geometric patterns on the glass, then spray paint. Peel off the tape once dry, and voila, designer looks for less. Next, let's tackle wall art. Ever seen those gorgeous abstract canvases in stores? We're making our own. You'll need a canvas, which I grabbed for a steal at a thrift shop, acrylic paints, and a sponge. The secret is to blend colors directly on the canvas with your sponge. Experiment with patterns and blends to create your masterpiece. Look at this beauty. It's unique, personal, and costs a fraction of store-bought art. Moving on, let's breathe new life into old books. We're making a vintage book stack for your coffee table. You'll need old books from a thrift store or your shelf, twine, and some faux greenery. Stack the books, tie them with twine, and tuck the greenery under the twine. It's simple, rustic, and adds charm to any room. And there you have it, folks. 3 DIY decor projects that elevate your space without your wallet. Remember, crafting is all about creativity and making the most of what you have. Don't be afraid to experiment and put your personal touch on each project. I hope these projects inspire you to get creative and decorate your space on a budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more budget-friendly crafting tips. Until next time, keep crafting and saving.